Guys, we are back on the grind. Another day, another pound to lose. Yeah. How you guys doing? Guys, I am done. I'm looking crazy, but you know so you go. We've done our exercise. I don't know what's up for this week vlog.
Suicide by
but I just done my workout. Hella parch. Put on the sunscreen now. But I'm heading. I want to do some grocery shopping because you know it's month end. So I want to do some grocery shopping. So I want to go to the market and get some stuff. Meat shop. And I want to go to Price Mart. So yeah. So yeah, that's what's up. Today we did a 5k walk. Like last week we did 5k. We did it today because my leg, guys, my hip. I don't watch it. Taxi mania. Maddie. Can't wait, you know. Let me lick down the run of them. But yeah, I did the 5k walk. I'm taking it easy on my legs. Guys, did I tell you that I joined the gym? I may not have told you guys. So I joined the gym about a week ago. What a week though? 2 weeks? That's a long. 2 weeks ago, guys, I joined the gym. I'm still trying to figure my way out. I feel like I need a trainer for like 2 months to kind of get a full understanding of the equipments and stuff like that. But for the most part, I do a lot of cardio and I lift some weights, but not the big weights, but the little what you call them, some of them? Small weights. But I want to do some strength training and I don't want to hurt myself, so I'm considering getting a trainer. Yeah, because I want to work on my back. I want to build my back muscle. But yeah. So yeah, I want to do some strength training on my back, especially my lower back. I want to do that, but I don't want to hurt myself. So I'm a bit scared to use those machines by myself. So yeah, that's a little update. And I'm so proud of myself in terms of how I've been eating. Like I'm doing the calorie deficit and I'm trying to eat more wholesome food, limiting my carbs. You know, I do eat carbs, but more complex carbs like your ground provisions and stuff. A little rice, but I mean, I think only Sunday alone I had rice. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself with how I'm going on so far. I can feel the little weights lifting. I have more energy than before. You know, the mental clarity. I don't feel so sad and depressed. Again, the exercise really does help with that. So if you're looking to start your journey, start now. Don't put it off. Do small walks. It doesn't have to be anything extra until you get into the momentum, the vibe, and you know, say, alright, you're serious now, so you can start hit the gym and stuff like that. But yeah, so that's the update, guys. So I have a bit of errands to do today. Today is Saturday, May 24. Did I tell you? And it's now 7:28. I started the workout at 5 minutes to 6 and we finished 7 o'clock. So I'll see you guys. I'll check back in with you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, so this is my after workout breakfast. So it's some chia seed, some rolled oats, some yogurt, flaxseed, and almond milk. So I'm gonna be having this, and I'm gonna be having some fruits. So this is my little fruit bowl here. Some honeydew melon, regular watermelon, and some papaya. And this is what I'm gonna be having for breakfast. Yeah. And some water. Hey YouTube! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is Sunday, May 25th, and happy Sunday, guys. I hope you have a blessed Sunday. You know, a blessed Sunday, a restful Sunday. I know the weekend just come and it just blow and it just done, and then it's back to work, right? But just wishing you guys a happy Sunday out there. So we are continuing the vlog, guys. I started the vlog yesterday. I do walk. I didn't want to show the hold on. I didn't want to show the walking vlog, exercise vlog, because I've been doing that for some time now. So I really didn't show you guys, bring you guys along with me. You know, I went to the meat shop yesterday. I went to the market yesterday. Didn't record that because, you know, downtown I did show a little part in the wholesale and so. But pretty much that was it. Yesterday, I had so much things to do. I went to I was just all over the place. I just didn't record. Like, I was just busybody yesterday, right? I did want to go to Price Smart, but I got caught up because I ended up went to the movies. I went to the movies on a date night with hubby to watch Sinners. And let me tell you, child, about Sinners. Like, I hear about it, I hear the rave, but I really didn't even watch the the preview thing to see what it was about. I was shocked. Like, it was something different. Like, I wasn't expecting vampire. I wasn't expecting vampire at all. I thought it would be some voodoo, some, you know, stuff. If you're a Christian, I don't suggest you watch it. Like, while I was in the theater, I'm like, Father God, I do not want anything from this movie to come at me, and then I rebuke it and I rebuke it and I rebuke it. That's me in the movie theater. But it was different. If you like scary movies, yeah. But it was quite different. I like it. I thought it was one of Jordan Peele's type of movie. Because you know Jordan Peele tend to have that kind of style. Like. So I thought it was him. But it was good. So I went to the movies. I did not vlog that. Not at all. Rush. So wake up now. Me go head to Price Smart. Get some little stuff. Get back my sparkling water. And some other little things. And come back and cook. Meal prep. Yeah, meal prepping for my week ahead. And may I tell you, so the meal prep has been working for me. It truly has been working for me. And I feel a little, you know, like I lose some little inches and so. But you know, it's not 1 month fully because I started officially like May 3rd. So June 3rd would officially be 1 month since I started my journey. But yeah, I feel so proud of myself. Last night I had popcorn and I did not want no extra butter. Normally a girl would eat popcorn, hot dog, and nachos, long belly. Me, just say, babe, just get one popcorn for me and you, and a bottle of water. Normally girl would have her iced tea or something like that, gummy bears and all these things. Clap that tea, your girl is doing good. I am so proud of myself. 9:35. Price Smart must open. Yeah, over here look empty, thank God. It's not so busy. I don't even know what time Price Smart open, guys, but me just a come. It's 9:35, so me I hope say them open. Mrs. Staff are coming still. You know, say I should have parked down there so still. I should have parked. I know, say, yes, I may have a joke. Because upstairs hot. Yeah, I'm not going to go upstairs and park down here, so. I want them open. I need to check and see what time them open. So yeah, like somebody asking me, are you on a diet? Like I feel like I've been saying I'm on a diet for so long. Like I don't know if me alone can relate. Like, you know, I always be telling people, oh, I'm on a diet, oh, I'm on a diet. Somebody's like, are you on a diet? I'm like, no, I'm not on a diet. I'm actually changing my lifestyle. Because really and truly, diet is temporary. You know, when you think about dieting, it is temporary. And when you say you're going on a diet, mentally you're thinking temporary, so you start to do it for a period of time and then you'll go back to your old ways. So I realize I'm stopped saying that I'm on a diet, I'm on a lifestyle change, and that feels so permanent to me, and it just keeps me accountable. You know what I say? It keeps me accountable. So I'm on a lifestyle change and I'm not on a diet. What I've been doing, guys, I'm not sure if I'd mentioned it before, but I've been doing calorie deficit. So me supposed to technically eat 2,000 something calories per day. What I do, I try to go down to like 1,000 something. So like 1,800, 1,500, 16, depending on the day, depending on the activities that I'm doing. So if it's like a workout day, I'll have closer to. But if it's like a non-workout day, I have less. You know, because I don't need so much energy. So that's what I've been doing. I can't feel good. I feel good in myself. What I'm yet to do is the detox, which every weekend when I want to really do it, something happen. And you know, when you do them detox over there in your yard. So I'm not get to do the detox yet. But you know, in time I will do it. But I feel so good. I feel so good on myself. I've been eating clean. I've been having no sugar. You know, very, very minimal added sugar. Like sometimes, you know, when you make a little tea, you want to sweet, I realize I was adding a little toops of sugar. But I start, I get a bottle of honey, a small bottle of honey, and I just a little tad amount of it in my tea. Which I need for drink right now, some ginger tea. I have been making, my daughter, not me. My daughter, last week, she made the turmeric and ginger shots. And I took it for like 3 days and I was surprised how good it is. Like it really don't taste bad. Like made it kind of hesitant about it, so I feel like I'm gonna be doing the turmeric shots, the turmeric ginger, and she put 1 carrot in it and she put lemon and some pepper. I think I need to get cayenne pepper. Yeah, so she put that and it was really good, guys. It really good. And when I had so much energy, so after I take it, like I take it and then I work out, I had so much energy and I did not want to eat. Like it suppressed my appetite. So I really need to make it, because guys, what I realized, to be successful with your weight loss, and if you're on a weight loss journey like me, to be successful you have to plan. Them say if you fail to plan, you plan to fail in life. But that it is even more serious with weight loss. You have to plan, you prep your meal, prepare, because if you're in a fast-paced environment where you have to go on the go and in and out, you're going to end up eating the wrong things when you're hungry. Yeah, and that's the truth. So I know a lot of people are not committed to do all of that, and then in their mind they say I'm on a diet. And when I do work, and I've been eating, and I don't starve myself. I've been eating and I feel fuller. You see those little chia pudding, like with my chia pudding, I add protein powder to it. I add my chia, I add my overnight oats, I add my yogurt to it. I didn't even have fruit. Last week I didn't add any fruits to it. And me tell you, so the thing slap with some little, with a little honey on top, just a drizzle of honey with little cinnamon. Me tell you, say it nice and it full you. When you eat that, like you really don't want nothing else to eat. Me literally have to force myself to eat something. But yeah, one of the first sign of when you're eating clean, you start feel it in your body. On my face, there's this little bump right here, so, but my face will clear up nice. I don't know where this come from, but my face will clear up nicely. I just feel excited and I really want to lose weight because girl tired. Like yesterday I go with this place called Cat Couture for pants, because I see them advertise on Instagram, $1,500 pants. I say alright, I want one nice sexy jeans and something. When I go them not have my size. Okay, I go Brick Brand, and that was surprising. I go Brick Brand and they had large big size. Normally, would wear like 2X, you know. I know girl broad and it big on the bottom round there. I'm wearing 2X. When I try on the 2X, because it have a lot of stretch in it, oh my god. The 2X big. Well big. Then I try the 1X, guys. The 1X big too. I say bomba. Girl feel nice. So that means, I guess it depending on the brand jeans. Those jeans, 1X too big for me. So, them never have no large. Them never have no large. But we feel good. I feel so nice. Before I go, school start back this week. So I have that one course to do. I think it's Thursdays I have class. So pray for you, girl. Alright guys, so I am back home. So I'm gonna be giving you a quick haul of the things that I bought in Price Mart. Right, some of these are geared to my weight loss journey, some aren't not, because I have a family who eat what they want to eat, right? Alright, so I got some bread, right? Regular bread. I bought buns, pack of buns. Bought peas. Let's put the peas over here. I got shrimp, some sliced fish. I did not get any sliced fish at the wholesale yesterday, the meat shop. So I'm just take up one little pack of that. They have, you know, so they have the case of sliced fish for 10 grand. One big old case, you know, a sliced trout, babe. Yeah. 10,000. Call it 11 grand. Alright, so I got some turkey bacons. LT, I haven't had turkey bacons in a while. And Price Mart sell it really reasonable compared to the regular supermarket. So if you want this, was Price Mart for it. I got a pack of beef. I'm going to do some stew peas. My son's birthday is Wednesday. This is his favorite meal, stew peas. So I'm going to do it for Sunday dinner. So I start celebrating birthday from now. So we're gonna do stew peas with the beef. And I got this. This is the hydrolyzed multi-collagen peptide. I've been doing some research with this, right? And you know, as you age, as you get older, you lose collagen and stuff like that, and a bunch of stuff. I'll get into it in another video, and give you an update on how this works. So yeah, I saw it in Price Mart, so I got this. I got tuna. I got tuna in water this time. The last time I got oil, pick up oil by accident. I prefer the tuna in water, so when I'm making my salad, it's not greasy, you know, less grease, less fat. I got pack of cheese, mixed cheese, apples, got some apples. I think I showed you the corn already. Corn. I got some coconut oil. Yeah. I got Eggo for the kids. They might kill me for this for months now. So I decide to treat them. They wanted this. Guys, I don't know how much of the things in the see, but I know I see my face start slowly go down the tripod. Yes, it'll go. So I got this brand yogurt that I saw the girlies raving about. Yeah, on TikTok. I've never tried this brand before, but it's zero sugar. 0 sugar, 12 grams of protein. And it's the Greek yogurt. I got 6 cartons of almond milk. Unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk. Yeah, 6 cartons. A pack of soap. Oh, God. Woo. 2 bottles of bleach. I got the sparkling water. Sorry if it is dark. And I got some vitamin water. This one is the carbonated water, and this doesn't have it. That's the difference. With that is it. So this is the little haul, guys. These are